What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon and I've got another unboxing for you. This is the Mophie wireless charger, and you can get this on the Mophie website or you can get it on the official Apple website, and it was $39.95. And basically it's all compatible with iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and all, of course, the Max models, of course. And it also is compatible with the AirPods if you have the wireless charging case. But yeah, let's continue opening the box here. I apologize as usual. My tripod has been broken for a while and I just haven't been able to get another one. So I'm having to do this with one hand, but I will get her out of the box and we can check it out. And there she is. She's actually quite beautiful. The actual top of the charger, it says Mophie. That's actually glass, so it is quite reflective and quite nice looking. And it actually does come with its own charger, whereas most wireless chargers comes with the charger and the cord, and you got to supply your own power source. So this one is better for that. I do like that it comes with its own charger. Got a little bit of paperwork there that we don't need to worry about. There's the charger for it. And I believe that is all that's in the box. We can toss that to the side here. And we'll go ahead and take the plastic off of this, and it is going to be kind of a challenge with the one hand, but we'll take care of it. And there it is. Again, that top part is made of glass, so it is quite reflective. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of this Mophie wireless charger. Like I said, you can get it on Apple's official website, or you can go to mophie.com and get it there, $39.95, and it charges your iPhone or your AirPods. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, show me your support with a like and comment below. Peace. I'm out of here.